Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily download and install Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official website, Microsoft.com. Once the page opens, look for the Download Teams button and click on it. Next, click Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click Run, then click Yes. The installation process will now begin. Microsoft Teams may download some additional files during setup, so just wait a few moments while it finishes. After the installation is complete, Microsoft Teams will launch automatically for the first time. Now you'll see the sign-in screen. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your email address and click Next. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking Create One. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your email address. You may receive a verification code that you'll need to enter. Once you're signed in, Microsoft Teams will finish setting up your account. And that's it. Microsoft Teams is now successfully installed and ready to use on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.